Welcome to GI Blueprint X. In today's video, we are going to be placing staircase in Archicad. You're going to ensure that you're in the ground floor because this is a G+1. Definitely the staircase starts on the ground floor. To do that, we are going to select this wall here, Ctrl+Shift+D on our keyboard, and we are going to make a copy of 1.25. Press enter. So our staircase is going to cover up this area. To draw my stair, I'm just going to double click on stair, set my width of my landing to 1.10, make sure my number of risers is 18, and the riser height is 0.17. Once done, I'll ensure that I have 0, 0 here, and equally I have 0 here. These two places I need to ensure they are at 0. Once I'm done, I'm going to click OK. Before I start drawing my staircase, I'm going to make sure that I choose place right railing. Then I'm going to hover over this first point and drag that arrow right up to this edge. Then click, because that's my first point. Type in 2.7 on my keyboard, press enter. I'm going to change from flight to landing, which is the second option. And then I'm just going to draw around my stair. Right up to this point, I'm going to type in 1.1 on return. Press enter. And I'm going to change from landing to flight. Then complete my staircase right up to this point. So to see that on 3D, I just have to turn my structure, and that's my staircase with a railing on it. In the next video, we are going to place doors in this project. So stay tuned.